Shaping the future. Additive manufacturing at Continental Korbach.
Hello, my name is Sascha Goeth. I'm a specialist for additive manufacturing at Continental in Korbach. Today we will show you how we reduce machine downtime and respond quickly to challenges using 3D printing.
Across all Continental plants, innovation takes many forms. In Korbach, it's tangible and printed in layers. Whether it's a prototype or a replacement part, the journey begins here. Every detail is designed, optimized and printed on site. Each part is customized to production needs, not just replaced, but improved.
And here, for example, we have a part called the shaping stitching roll. Previously machined from solid aluminum, now 75% lighter and just produced in 2 days. It's currently being tested in a prototype live setup.
In-house production reduces downtime and offers benefits like weight reduction, modular design and short lead times.
Hi, I'm Aaron, a mechanic at Continental in Korbach. I'm responsible for maintaining the machines, including the replacement of spare parts.
Another application example is now used in production. A simple but crucial component, a foot switch. This component is actuated several hundred times per shift with a foot and wears out very quickly.
And now we will show you how stable the foot control is in use.
A component that is used hundreds of times a day. The foot switch on the tire building machine. Previously defective after a few weeks, now 3D printed, more stable, flexible and durable. Downtimes due to reordering, replacing, etc. have been minimized here thanks to a self-made and optimized version of the component. Incidentally, we also manufacture many components ourselves in the 5S structuring system. For example, doctor blade holders, label holders or scanner stations, and thus save large amounts of money each year. From maintenance to production, other components, such as the core centering elements, are already in use and serve to protect against machine damage and reduce long downtimes.
Thank you for joining me on this short tour through our 3D printing center in Korbach. One moment please. And we are excited about what's ahead.
Additive manufacturing at Continental in Korbach. Designing solutions layer by layer.